Hi everyone, I hope you are well. So today we will show you the full tutorial of how to use elevator.js library in PHP project. So uh, first of all, you can see that we published open source library in GitHub, and you can, if you go in our GitHub repository, then you can see full tutorial about elevator.js. So first of all, I want to tell you that what is elevator.js. Actually, elevator.js is a JavaScript library to develop PHP a web application. Or you can say develop PHP single page, or you can say without reload web application more easily. You don't need to use Node.js environment, and you can say import package it, etc. Okay, so to use that, just you need to link by using a script tag in your project. So actually you can when it's like when you raw code, raw HTML, you could raw HTML and CSS, and also you could raw PHP. Okay, so in raw PHP project, you can use this elevator.js easily. So why elevator.js? Actually, elevator.js is basically to make PHP web applications without reload. So in 2022, 2022, we can see the React JS is the most famous framework, that because of its have React router. Okay, what actually React router do? It's make the web application without reload. I mean a single page web application, as Facebook, or you already you can see that. So I made it this library to easy to use in PHP. Okay, it's like it's work it's like it's not same like React router. It's different because of elevator just using browse working with browser environment, and React router is from Node.js environment. Okay, so let's go to the main topic. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rejwan Ahmed Sami. I am professionally I am a software engineer, and also an entrepreneur, and I am chairman and chief executive officer of Alhalla. So mainly I am the developer of elevator.js. So let's jump into the project. Okay, first of all, you can see in GitHub readme.md, you can see the project setup file folder structures. Okay, so show the I just wrote the display, wrote the project structures. Okay, how you can design your file structure to do the projects. Okay, first of all, you can do in assets, so you can read. Okay, but you can also see in tutorial video. Okay, let me first of all introduce into the readme file, and this is installation guide. You can install by npm npm. Okay, also you can directly use our cdn link. So in this video we will use the directly cdn link. So all things I will show you in video you can find in there in details. Okay, in you can say this is the documentation of elevator.js. So let's go to the main project, and here you can find my information. This is me and this is my informations. Okay, so let's jump into the main topic. Okay, first of all, what you need to do, first of all, you can see this is a file. You can see this is index.html. Okay, this is a just a template. It's an HTML and CSS template. I just download free from online, that because of testing purpose. Okay, this is for testing purpose or nothing. Okay, you can see. So you can see it's, I think it's a logistic website. Okay, you can see if I click on where about, it's loading. About service, it's loading in browser. Price, it's loading. Also you can page and blog grid. Okay, you can see this is the price section and client say section. Okay, you can see and page, blog grid, blog details, okay, contact, it's loading everything. Okay, okay, it's reloading, I mean loading by browser. Okay, so first now we will create this, we will convert this a row HTML and CSS. You can say we will convert this template into a PHP web application, but I will not do dynamic now. I will just use elevator just by using, also by integrate with PHP. uh, I have a request to you, that please try Elevator.js to use in dynamic project and dynamic content loading. And if you find any issue, then please don't forget to contact with us. You can find our information, contact information in the readme. Okay, readme file. Okay, in GitHub repository. Okay, okay, you can knock me. Okay, and also you may email me if you find an issue, or you can create a okay, create an issue. You can create, then I will respond to you. So let's jump into the project. So what I need to do, first of all, I can see this, that's the main project. We have a license file, but I don't need license. I just need to remove. I will delete it. Okay, move to trash. Okay, this, what is this, actually logistic complete, or actually this is template.jpg. Also I don't need to, need this. Okay, okay, this is readme.text. Also I don't need this. So first of all, to do that, I already said that I will use, I already said that I will use a script. Okay, this is script tag. Oh, okay, so if I go to this scripted, you can see the code. Okay, you can contribute the code in GitHub. Okay, so you can see the code. So we will cdn, this is cdn. Okay, this is script tag. So we need to use this script in head tag. Okay, so let's first of all, also you can install by npm alkala. Okay, you can npm. Okay, first of all, what you need to do, convert all the okay, duplicate all the files. Duplicate, first of all you need to duplicate. Okay, duplicate mean index.html need to create. Okay, okay, first of all, note, first of all, create a folder. Okay, by using, follow the structure. We can, in in there we don't have any assets folder, so we don't need to use these assets. But if you want that, because of this is for local. Okay, now we are using a script, so that's the reason we don't need elevator.js or c elevator.js. I mean locally don't need. So first of all, we can use we need to create components folder directory. So we will create components, yeah, obviously components. And then what we need to do, we need to create include folder, include new folder, include. Okay, include folder. And then we need to okay, nothing in components, header layout and footer layout. But we don't need header layout and footer layout now, that because of we don't want to use multiple header and footers. I hope you can understand better. But also we can use, but for now just leave it. So first of all, we will take index.html. How you will say, how you will take. Okay, first of all, create a folder index.php by name. Okay, that's simple. Okay, so now open the index.html file, and you can say copy the this top from doc type to body. just copy it. Oh, you can say cut. Okay, you can also cut, but I will copy it. Copy, and I need to go to this folder and create a folder header.php. Okay, this I will just insert it. Okay, I just inserted in this, and here we can see this in include folder we have header.php, footer.php, and meta content.php. So we will create these folders. Now I will create footer.php and also new folder meta content.php. So why meta content? Actually meta content for this meta. Okay, this meta, just not this, not this initial scale 1.0, just the data of you can say titles and etc. We will remove it. Okay, okay, just SEO, just meta content for SEO. Okay, okay, just for SEO, and we will enter this here. Okay, this is meta content for now, just example for now. Okay, okay. So first of all we need to add we need to add the script tag. Okay, okay, then we can use, but first of all we need to footer. Okay, footer.php content. So in this footer.php where we can get in you can get from footer. Okay, first of all you can this is the footer things. Okay, this is script tags and others. This is the footers. We will copy that and paste into footers. Okay, now it's okay. So now what can I do? First of all we copy the header HTML and footer HTML, and now we need to include the okay, we will include later we will include later, but now we just remove the meta. Okay, we will include later, but now in index.php we need content. We need what? We need content. First of all, okay, I will explain it about. Okay, we just renaming index.php, index.html is index.est.html. Okay, this by name this. Okay, so I will remove it, and now we need to use PHP like this. If you know PHP, then it's you can understand that we are include header dot php. We are just including header dot php. Okay, header dot php by using include. Okay, we are just including this. If you know PHP, then it will easy for you, simple. And in the letter section we just use creating a new folder footer.php. So now if I load this, okay, you can see if I reload this index.php, we can see nothing here. Why? Actual reason why, that because of we just loaded the HTML and CSS content, but others content is nothing, you can say. So now what I need to do? So first we can do one thing. Okay, you can see in index.php. okay, in index.html we have header content. This is top bar stuff. Okay, it's a top bar. Let's explain what is top bar and what is in the bar. Okay, this is header. Okay, so we will just copy it for example. Okay, this is header. Okay, you can say okay, no, don't need on this. Okay, we will just copy it on this, paste in this for example reason. Okay, you can see this is the top bar header and this. Okay, it's actually what you can see. It's a what I can say, this is header and this is the home section. So I just need to remove the header start. this is the main things. It will only in index.html. So I just remove it and now I need to refresh. Then we can see just what I think we can see just header. Okay, so what we need to do, what we need to do first of all, we need to do one thing. We need to create a components. Then we need to create a we can see in these components we have a header layout. We will create a header layout folder. In components we will new folder, header layout folder, or you can directly create any. Okay, this header component. Okay, .php. You need to create a PHP file. Okay, now you can see that index.php now needs a navbar just, so we will remove it. Okay, cut it and we will paste it here. Okay, it's in header component. And also we need to create a folder by name footer layout, new folder footer layout. Okay, new file footer layout.php. So for footer layout, first of all we need to test actually it's a footer layout working or not. Okay, so this is the back to top button, and okay, you can see. So we need to copy the footer layout. So what we can do, this where the footer layout, first of all we need to check the footer layout. This is footer. Okay, this is footer. So we are copying, we need to copy that and paste it here. And first of all we need to check footer layout working or not. If we keep then you can see it's footer layout working perfect. This is footer layout. It will be header and footer will be same in every page. That's why we are separating these headers and footers as what we do in PHP actually mainly. So just remove it, and now we can paste in footer layout. Okay, now done. So now you need to focus on that. Okay, what you need to do, note, we need to remove header and cancel header and footer. Okay, now we need to see one thing. What we need to see, check. First of all we will just create index.php and others. Okay, now we need to in header. Okay, in header.php we need to add script. Okay, this is the script we need to adjust. We will just copy it and paste it in the top. We need to paste it in the top. Note that we must need to paste it in the top of every file. Okay, we just need to. Okay, that's it, simple. Okay, simple. So it's done. So now what we need to do, as an example, if you refresh it, you can see it's nothing there. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you can see it's nothing now. So now we need to just remove it. Okay, so now what we need to do, first of all, after copy and paste it, we need to create a app.js file in project root. This is our project root. Okay, test elevator root. So we will create a app.js file in this. Okay, but before, okay, we will create now, but before we do anything we need to do one thing. First of all we need to create a section. Okay, you can set. Okay, we will create later. We will create later in explanation. So let's jump into the project. First of all, in app.js, okay, you need to define. Okay, you need to. Okay, first of all, after creating the app.js, you must need to copy it and paste it in footer. Okay, hey, footer. Where is the footer? Include footer.php in the last. Don't forget to paste in the last. Okay, but I will add dot, that because of my folder name is test elevator and this is not my server root folder. That's why I am this is I need to paste it the project root folder. Okay, so in these sections we will write console dot log linked. Okay, we will write linked, and we will inspect this, and we will go to console, and we will refresh, and we can see linked. We found linked. Okay, we found linked. Okay, so first of all, what do you need to do? First of all, in app.js file setup example, okay, we can see uh, we need to set up a server host. Some server host can be your domain host, whatever project root directory, you can say.